Hi, in today's video, we're going to give you 11 tactics that you can use to repurpose your content. Okay, so as we all know, content is king on the internet. So if you're not producing any content at all, then obviously this is what you could be lacking. You need to obviously create content. But also, once you've created a bit of content, we're going to show you 11 different ways that you can actually just repurpose that content, spread it further afield to get more views, and then obviously create more business for yourself online. So without further ado, let's crack on and we'll go through 11 marketing strategies you can use to repurpose content. Okay, so repurposing content. Okay, so for argument's sake, I'm a YouTuber, obviously, so my main pieces of content that I put out are videos. Okay, so for argument's sake, if you had a video, what else could we do with that? How could we repurpose that and obviously spread it amongst spread it further so you can get more eyes on your content and obviously more business. Now the first way you can obviously do this is obviously by creating a blog. Now you could create a blog just by embedding the video within the blog, okay, and have it as a actual vlog with a little bit of content with it as well. But what you could also do, you could use a site such as rev.com or actually Content Gorilla, which is what I use, which you can actually put any YouTube video inside there, and obviously it will then churn out the actual content for you in written form. So then all you have to do is obviously just go through it, just tweak certain little bits, and then you've got a blog post. Now for obviously a 10-minute video on YouTube, you could get probably 2,000-3,000 words, which makes it a great length for any blog post. Okay, so that's the first way you can actually do it is obviously create your own blog. Preferably on your own blog, such as a WordPress self-hosted blog, because then you're going to actually own that blog, so you're going to get all the traffic, etc. Now the second way, if you haven't got your own blog, you could use a site called Medium. Get your content repurposed and put through into another form. Now also what's good about Medium is it's an absolutely massive site. It does enable you to sometimes get ranked in Google for your particular article as well. So if you actually create content on a regular basis and still use things like keywords and that sort of thing, you could actually rank alone on Google and get obviously more traffic. Now the fourth way you could also do, if you are in such sites such as Quora, which is more of a forum, you could actually do a post about your new video, and you can also do a post about your new blog article. So either way, if you're doing it the other way around, for argument's sake, if you're obviously doing, if you were a blogger, you could still create a post in Quora all about your blog. And also don't forget, you could also just literally set up some slides and then shoot a video just sharing your screen about your blog post. So you don't have to actually be on video to do that. So you could do that in the reverse as well, and you could use a site such as OBS Studio, which is totally free, to record your screen. Okay, so we've got 3 or 4 different ways there that you can repurpose content. Another great way, especially if you are obviously using YouTube as a medium, then you could extract the audio from Medium. And again, if you've got a video editor such as a Power Director, maybe Camtasia or ScreenFlow for Macs, then you would have an editing button, so you could probably split the audio around. So you could then extract the audio as an MP3, and you could upload it then as a podcast. So that gives you another medium that you can actually send out to obviously get even more traffic to your business. Now with videos again, what you could do, for argument's sake, if I was doing for a video which had 5 separate points to it, you could then edit that video so you could split them into 5 different micro videos that may well then be under 1 minute long each section. So then you could obviously add these into places such as TikTok. You could do Instagram TV, you could do Instagram Reels, you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter, all those places. Also Pinterest, you can do obviously videos in Pinterest as well now. So you've got all those places that you can actually then repurpose the content to go out. And not only will you just have one piece of content there, you'll have 5 pieces for each site. So as you can see, we've really gone past 11 here that I've actually given you today. If you've got older content as well, then repurpose it again. Share it again at a later date. If it's evergreen content, you could then share this again and again and again. Don't be frightened to keep sharing your evergreen content. So a lot of people share it out once and they get newer content and just keep sharing that every time they've got new stuff. And another place you can obviously share content as well is through obviously this social media as well. So not only can you put videos up, you can obviously share posts, and you could create images to go on these social sites such as Twitter and Pinterest, all that sort of thing. And you could use a site called canva.com for that. Again, it's very, very simple to do. I've even got some videos, I think, here. I might actually link to a video above here all about Canva, so you can go and show exactly how Canva works. So make sure you check that out at the end of this video as well. But that's it for today. These are 11 plus ways that you can repurpose your content to get more views for your business. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.